Hello, my name's Sean Morningstar. I'm the Dropship account manager for DollarDays.com, an online wholesaler with about 300,000 products. In this video, I'm going to teach dropshippers how to download and create their own custom product feeds. So to start off, we'll go to DollarDays.com and sign into our account. If you do not yet have a dropshipping account, you will need to purchase it in order to create your own custom product feeds and get access to the other benefits such as flat rate shipping, 5% off, packing slips, things like that. So now that we've logged into our account here, we'll go ahead and go up to the top under My Account, select that. On the left hand side, we'll select Setup Feed, fourth option down. From here, we'll see an option to create our own custom product feed. Let's review the different options here so we can configure it properly. The first one, select feed type. There's CSV, which is comma separated value. There's TSV, tab separated value. There's XML, which is another format, as well as web.com. Web.com is a simple CSV file, except the headers are rearranged differently. Almost all of our customers use this CSV file, so we'll select it by default. And for people who are not familiar with file types, CSV file is just a spreadsheet that can be opened up in Excel. Rather simple. Another option underneath is select product type. We have single case, which is individuals, multiple case, which is more than one, and both. So a single case, for example, would be a baby stroller or a bottle of perfume. A multiple case could be a box of 24 candy bars or maybe a set of 12 backpacks. Something that's greater than one. But the cases won't be too large, so you never see a case of 24 baby strollers or something really extreme and expensive. Most people set it to both by default. Underneath here we have our product categories. If I want to have everything in a specific product category, I will select the checkbox underneath it. If I don't want to have everything in that category, but I want to have some of it, I will expand it by clicking this plus here, and then I can select the ones underneath it for the individual items. By selecting this top level here, it automatically includes all the ones underneath it. So once I've selected the products I want, I can go ahead and minimize it again. And the options will still be there in the future. If we open up the As Seen on TV again, they're still here. If we scroll down a little more, we have the option to receive it via email or FTP. Almost everyone chooses email by default. It's rather convenient, simple, and it does not consume any file storage, whereas FTP it will. I'll explain that in a little bit more detail in a moment. Set margin to sets the margin in our system. So if you want to have our server automatically apply a margin to the feed, we will, but most people would rather do that on their own on the spreadsheet, so you'd want to leave the margin to set at 0. If you do want a system mark it up 20%, you would add 20, but that's not recommended. I would just leave it as 0. In future videos, we're going to review how to apply a margin and variable margins to different products. Option underneath that is schedule. You can set it as now, which will send a file out to your email anywhere from 5 minutes up to an hour for the larger files. So if you want it immediately, set it as now. If you want it daily, it'll email it out to you at approximately the same time each day, starting 1 hour from now. If you want it weekly, it'll email it out to you the same time and day weekly, so you'd receive one today as well as 7 days from now. By default, we'll set it as daily. Underneath that we have status. Make sure this is selected as active. Once you do that, go ahead and hit submit. What our system will then do is it will email you out a link to a product spreadsheet, and it's a custom spreadsheet with just the products you selected on there. It won't take up any size on your email client whatsoever. because it's a simple link that goes to our Amazon cloud. From there you can download the file. It can be anywhere from 5 or 10 meg in size up to 150 or 200 meg in size. So it's best to have it emailed out so you can download it at a later date, as opposed to our system FTPing it to your server, because they can add up and they can take space quite quickly. Our product spreadsheets, they're available typically for 72 hours. If you need one more frequently, you would want to set it as a now file so you can get a new one each day. And we also have something known as a Delta file, which does not contain all of the product info. It just contains the SKU and the quantity of that SKU. So if you're updating your products on Amazon or eBay, you can use that Delta file to more quickly update your inventory. But we'll cover Delta files in another video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Sean Morningstar, and I'm the Dropship account manager for DollarDays.com. Thank you.